Ito na yata ang pinakamagandang 250cc na classic bike ang makikita nyo ngayon 2024. Isa sa mga pinakamagandang nirelease ngayon ni Benda Motorcycle Philippines, itong Benda Napoleon 250 Bobber. Check nga natin kung gaano nga ba siya kaganda at kalupit.
I like to get paid, that's why I work every day. I'll be making money till I'm in my grave. Don't care what they say, I'll buy time with my money. Laughing to the bank cause it's funny. The money keep coming, I manifest it. Sing these lyrics and you'll get it. I'm the bank, come invest it.
Last time nakita natin sa Makina Moto Show itong Benda Chinchilla 450. At isa na nga rin dito ang Benda Napoleon 450. Nakita natin tong dalawa na to sa Makina Moto Show na sobrang ganda at sobrang dinumog talaga ng mga tao nung nirelease itong mga motorcycle na to. Grabe kasi napaka-pogi, napaka-angas at napaka-modern nung kanilang mga features and specs. Pati yung price nila, napaka-affordable din para sa kanilang category na 450cc. So makikita nyo yan sa Benelli, Caloocan, meron silang unit na ganito. Then sa mga ibang branch ng Benelli and then sa mga dealer ng Benda. At nakita rin natin dito sa event ng Makina Moto Bazaar, si Yana ang ambassador ng Benda, SYM at Euromoto.
Nalaglag yung ano niya.
At narinig na nga natin kung gaano nga ba kaganda ang tunog ng isang to. Pag-usapan naman natin yung kanyang specification. Ito nga pala ay may B-twin engine, naka 8 bulbs, liquid cooled na rin ang isang to. Ang kanyang displacement na 249cc na may maximum power na 19 kilowatts at 9,000 RPM. Ang kanyang maximum torque, 25 Nm at 5,500 RPM. Ang kanyang bore and stroke, 53.5 by 55. Ang kanyang compression ratio ay 11.8:1. Ito ay naka 6-speed manual na rin. Special features nito, meron itong TFT display. Astig, diba? Classic, tapos naka TFT display. 250cc pa. Ito rin ay naka slipper clutch, isa sa mga magagandang features ng isang to. At hindi lang yon, ito ay naka ABS at traction control yung kanyang front and rear. Nice. At yung kanyang top speed, base naman sa record ni Benda, ito ay kayang umabot ng 120 km/h. Nice. Pero kung usapang top speed, hindi naman kailangan naka top speed tayo palagi. Yung ma-enjoy lang natin yung motorcycle, okay na yun, diba? Ganito kagandang motorcycle. Tapos napaka-pogi, head turner, grab sa specs at talagang sulit. At hindi lang natin to alam kung magkano nga ba ang ganitong presyo dahil wala pa naman masyadong nare-release sa Benda pagdating sa presyo. Abangan natin yan. Para naman sa suspension ng isang to, ito ay naka-front multi-link shock absorption, rear spring shock absorption, cradle type, steel frame, and steel rear port. Ang kanyang front size, 130/80 by 18. Naka-tubeless tayo. At sa rear naman, 160/70 by 18. Naka-tubeless na rin. At parehong naka-single disc brake ang motor na to. Pogi, di ba? Panalo talaga sa specs. Pero hindi lang yan, yung kanyang dimension, alamin naman natin. Overall dimension ay may 2,333 by 838 by 1,038 mm. O wheelbase, 1,545 mm. Sa kanyang ground clearance na 120 mm at may bigat na 182 kilograms. Ang seat height naman ito, mababa lang naman na 748 mm na may fuel capacity na 9.5 liters. Ayos na rin yun para sa long ride, diba? So ano sa tingin nyo? Nalaman na natin yung specification pero yung price, update ko kayo dyan. Pero sa tingin nyo, sulit nga ba ang ganitong motorcycle ngayong 2024, 250cc, bobber type, classic model? At isa sa pinakamaganda na mga features, ang kanyang TFT display, naka-slipper clutch, ABS, traction control. At grabe talaga ang pogi ng isang to. Kung meron akong pera, bibili ako nito. Kung meron lang. Pero congrats sa mga bibili ng ganitong motorcycle. Naka B-twin engine ka pa. Di ride safe sa'yo.
I like to get paid, that's why I work every day. I'll be making money till I'm in my grave. Don't care what they say, I'll buy time with my money. Laughing to the bank cause it's funny. The money keep coming, I manifest it. Sing these lyrics and you'll get it. I'm the bank, come invest it. I get tracked and I have it. Money finds me attractive. I'm the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness. I gotta admit that I'm usually modest, but I work hard for my shit. I'll do the work, yeah, I'll do it till it hurts. I'll invest in my future, I'll invest in the purse. I wanna be so rich, life changes, and I don't ever think about how much I just pay it. Yeah, it's the dream, the American dream. Live on top, don't stop till you got everything. But there's balance, cause this life is a challenge. You gotta live in the now while building up the type to make commas, turn a profit. I'm the boss, Willy Wonka, but it ain't chocolate. Yeah, I'm just being honest, I work for this shit. I'm usually modest, but this beat lit, so I'm going off thoughtless, talking my shit. Yeah, I'ma be the hottest designer in drip. I'm just coming with the rawness. I gotta admit that I'm usually modest, but I work hard for my shit. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey. So keep working till it's hurting, cause that's when you start deserving everything you want.